Hi guys, it's Dorla LV Lux Girl on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm here again with another video. Today I'm going to do a quick little video on my bag room. So this room right here, you guys, it's not finished. I'm going to come back in about a week and do a finished bag room tour, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. So here we go. I'm going to open up the door. And the lighting isn't the best right now, but this is my bag room where items are going to be stored, all my handbags, and I'm trying to think of how to start and how to do this. So it's because it's not the largest room, as you could see. It's a big closet, but it's not a big room. So basically when you first enter, to the right, there's some shelves and I have some different things stored. I have some sunglasses, Ray-Bans, and Key Australia, and different things stored right there. Under there, I have some perfume. I have perfume in my bedroom, in this closet. I kind of have perfume in more than one place in the house. I'm trying to have a centralized area for everything. Like I said, a shoe closet, a coat closet, and this is going to be my bag closet. There's probably not going to be a perfume closet. I'm probably going to keep perfume in here and as well as in my bedroom on my dresser. So perfume is kind of like in the mix. Plus I like to use that to decorate. So as you walk in, on the top shelf, you can see there's a little sign here I thought was kind of cute that says we'll work for shoes. And I have on the upper top shelf, I don't want to blind you with the light at the top up there, but on the very top shelf is where I have my extra empty handbags stored. One of my girlfriends was like, oh, I don't keep the handbags, I just throw those away. I don't keep the extra bags and boxes. I've tossed a lot away in my bags and boxes too, but I wanted to keep a few of them just for display. I thought it would be cute. So on the upper shelf, I have some handbags, and then as you go to the left here, you can see a photo. When you first walk into the room to the left, you see a sign here that says, you say high maintenance like it's a bad thing. And then to the left, when you first walk into the room, I have a little dresser here. And I have my large dresser in my bedroom, but this was a little dresser and stool set that I thought would be cute. And to be honest, now it's kind of just, I don't want to say in the way, but I'm probably going to pull this out of the closet so that I could have more walk-in space. Also, I was debating, I had put on Instagram for you guys to help me out with, should I use a white rug in here, a red rug, or a gray rug? I actually wanted white. However, we all know how white rugs can get dirty. And actually, I have a white rug in this extra room right here. And it doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't get dirty. It's just that, I mean, it's yellowed a little bit over time. So I do want another white rug. And so I figured, but see, in here, in this room here, I'm going to be trafficking in and out of here and frequenting in and out of here a lot to mess with my handbags and do different things. So I really, in this small area, a white rug, I don't think would be good because it's going to get very dirty. So right now, temporarily, I put a gray rug from Target down there. However, it just doesn't have the pop or the gusto to me to make the room look cute. I mean, I have a lot of pops of red. I want the room to basically be red and white, like the white shelving and with pops of red. So I ordered a red rug and that's on the way. And when I get the red rug, I'm going to do another tour so you guys can see the finished result also of some of the items that I have on the shelf. Also, when I get the red rug, right now, as you could see, I have a pink bench with white feet that you can have. It's a sitting area in here. And a pink Chanel pillow. That's going to have to come out and go into another room because, of course, when I get the red rug, it won't match. It won't go with the pink. So moving right along. Like I said, I have a few perfume items in here. Some Tory Burch. I thought this little pop of red was really nice. Also, a few more little perfume items down here. I hope you guys don't see me in the reflection. I look a hot mess. I wanted to film this when I could actually be on camera, but like I said, when I finish the final room tour, I definitely will make myself presentable so I can be on camera as well. This shoe right here, I found it, I thought it was so cute, reminiscent of Louboutins. It cracked as soon as I got it. I brought it home. I don't know if it cracked in the car, but I was like, I don't care. It's for a wine bottle. You see these all the time at Burlington and Home Goods. It's for a wine bottle. It's an extra large. I don't know if for scale you can see there's a little box here, but it's a super huge shoe for a wine bottle for display. But I just thought it just went so well in my closet. And I'm going to be switching the pictures in and out. I have so many photos that I like to use for, you know, to decorate with. So I'm going to be moving the pictures and switching them in and out. I have some more perfume right there in a shoe perfume bottle. I have some SLGs right there. I have on display, these are just some of my bag charms. So I thought that would be cute to keep on display right there. And then, like I said, I'm going to be switching the art canvases. I'll be switching them in and out. So yeah, guys, and then on my little table here, I have a few items. Like I said, this table is probably not going to stay in here. I really wish that when I ordered this table, I had ordered it in white, whether I keep it in this room or not. But I ended up going with the cherry wood to match my bedroom furniture, and it's not even in my bedroom. So after you come out of the room, I'm going to pan around. When you come out of the bag room, just to show you. So basically, like I said, you would come out and there's a walking area right there, my bedroom right there. And then when you actually come out of the room in the hall here, I have some more artwork and photos. Paris, Runway Love, Fashion 101, Style Through the Ages. And here's another photo here, reminiscent of a Birkin, and some more little cute sayings. And you know, another thing that I'm addicted to, that's a laundry chute that goes down to the basement if you throw your dirty laundry down there. And I don't want to say I collect footstools, but I'm so addicted to them as well. So I'm backing into the room just to give you, now that goes into a bathroom right there. When you're in the room, this is what you're looking out at. And I have a sign up there that says Flawless. At one point before I redid the closet, I had some butterflies on the wall. I love butterflies. And I don't know why I thought it was cute to keep these in here, just because they were an extra large can of Smarties and Sweet Tarts. And I don't know why. I just save everything. They're empty, so they're banks. But I thought it was cute. So, but yeah, so when you let me back up again just to give you another, this is the light string for the light fixture in this room. But that's what you're looking at when you're in the room. I'm gonna come out. Like I said, this goes into a bathroom that needs to be cleaned, probably. But yeah, guys, so I'm panning around again. That's my bag room tour, and like I said, it's just a walk-in closet. Let me back out so you can see. I'm actually in the bathroom now, so I could give you another shot so you can see where the closet is. And that's about it. I'm gonna come back in about a week when I get my carpet and when I finish organizing and do a completed tour of this room. If you want me to, can you please comment down below? Let me know if that's something that you're interested in seeing the end result of this little bag room that I got going for myself. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And please follow me on Instagram as well. It's LV Lux Girl. And thank you again for tuning in for another video.